What Guna Plus is bringing is magic.
الجونا بلس هي الفيرست ستيب towards the right direction.
الفاسيليتيشن اللي جونا بلس بتعمله انه بيسكلي بتسيرف على الكلاينت كل التايبس that they can easily pick from.
By putting all the designers together, بيبقى في a variety for the client to look into.
The purpose of Guna Plus to create a more seamless experience for the end client.
I was very excited with this kind of partnership because ideally it will make our life easier.
Guna Plus was quite an intellectual, interesting journey.
So today the client gets a full-fledged service.
The client is benefiting, right? Benefiting in all cases, benefiting in the experience, journey, delivery, and to finally arrive to a place and say, this is the perfect home for me, or this is the perfect space for me.
It's a win-win for the developer, for the customer, for the interior designer, this triangle.
فكرة زي الجونا بلس، الايديا نفسها بايعة نفسها من غير حاجة، أنا من غير ما تتكلم أصلا في تفاصيلها.
والكلاينت بيبقى عايز يجي يبقى pampered، لا قادر بقى لسه يروح ويشتري ويجيب. This hassle is not there.
أكتر حد مستفيد is the client.
And quite amazing partnership for the tenants of Guna.
Grateful they chose me.